There's a big breaking updates coming in right now. Viewers, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju is meeting PM Modi and is briefing him on the no confidence motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. This is a very big update coming in because we saw so much of ruckus happening today itself over this issue. The opposition is creating a huge ruckus, seeking the removal of the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. And right now, as we speak, according to what we have come to know so far, this is a big breaking update coming in where the Parliamentary Affairs Minister is holding a meeting with the PM Modi and is briefing him on the no confidence motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Viewers, remember that Indi bloc had submitted to propose a motion to remove House Chairman, Chairman and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Riyanka, I'm coming across to you right now. Go ahead, Riyanka, and take us through what is happening because the opposition is only creating, one tactic or the other. First, they are protesting, then they are creating ruckus, and now they want that Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar should be removed because they think this is partisan conduct on his part. A meeting is taking place right now. Go ahead, Riyanka. What is happening?
Oh, absolutely. First things first is Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, who is holding an important meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and briefing him about the entire situation that is panning out in the Parliament with different tactics being owned by the opposition. The latest being a no confidence motion which has been submitted against Jagdeep Dhankar, who is the Vice President, as well as the Chair of the Rajya Sabha. Regarding this, there has been several disruptions that we have seen. In fact, in the Parliament, in the Rajya Sabha, Kiran Rijiju had come down really heavily on the opposition, calling them for disrespecting the position, disrespecting the chair of the Rajya Sabha chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar, and that moving such a motion against him for allegedly be conducting the proceedings in a partisan manner. Remember, over 70 plus MPs of the opposition had in fact signed this no confidence which was submitted yesterday. Over that, there was huge ruckus that was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha today, which is why Kiran Rijiju has now a move ahead and he is holding a very crucial meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to brief him, to give him all the details, all the situation that is panning out. We know how the Parliament has been hijacked with protests, with chaos and with several disruptions and adjournments in the past 2 weeks, and the third week ongoing. There is no proper business that is being able to work because of several demands by the opposition, and the latest one in order to corner the Vice President and the Chair of Rajya Sabha, which is why this is a very crucial meeting where the Prime Minister is being briefed about what is happening in the House.
All right, I'll be coming back to you, Riyanka, because we're tracking all the developments coming from the winter session of the Parliament. We're getting some more breaking updates. Let's go to the other big update coming in right now for all our viewers. It looks like that the CM, Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, Deputy CM Ajit Pawar will go to Delhi this afternoon. CM